Dolomites, Italy. Ski the iconic peaks of the Dolomites. In the heart of the Italian Alps lies a masterpiece of nature, the Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These mountains offer not only breathtaking beauty, but also one of the finest ski experiences in the world. At the heart of the Dolomites lies the legendary Selleronda, a ski circuit like no other, covering 4 valleys in a single loop. It's an unparalleled journey through snow-covered landscapes and unforgettable vistas. Adventure awaits at every turn. With over 1,200 kilometers of hiking trails and world-class climbing routes, the Dolomites are a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. In winter, the mountains transform into a playground for skiers and snowboarders, with endless slopes to explore. Skiing in the Dolomites isn't just about the slopes. It's about embracing Italian hospitality. Indulge in gourmet meals at mountaintop huts, savor a glass of local wine, or unwind in a luxurious spa surrounded by the tranquility of the mountains. Discover charming Alpine villages that blend tradition with modernity. From the sophistication of Cortina d'Ampezzo to the cozy allure of Val Gardena, each offers a unique slice of life in the Dolomites. The Dolomites, Italy, a place where skiing transcends sport and becomes an experience. A journey through world-class slopes, timeless culture, and unparalleled natural beauty. It's more than just a destination. It's a dream realized. Good vibes only.
Has become his nightmare, his duty, and his mission.